what I wanted to say was that I had decided to sponsor some 50 students for this course. So we did that, and it was a part of Dr.Apparajoo scholarship program that I have thought about and started. So this was the initial stage, and then it was a success. Thank you all for making it a success. And now Dr. Apparajoo LMS OBE was a great gentleman, an articulate surgeon, a very kind-hearted individual who sponsored students in his time. That was about 125 years ago, 100 years ago. And he got this OBE award. So that is a photo of that. At that time, there was a British government, but then he served the Indian countrymen. He saved the lives of Indian countrymen, Indian soldiers. So this is to honor him, and I hope to do many things in his honor, serving the student community in various aspects, not just in orthopedics. But I wanted to start with orthopedics, especially DNB orthopedics, because I know there is a need over here. So more details can be found at the webpage drleander.com/Apparajoo, where there is an elaborate description of this gentleman. So let's go ahead. So you are familiar with this tagline, clear OSCE like a god. I got suggestions to change it to clear OSCE like a boss.